Hey everybody. Hi everyone. I hope you had a great spring break. Ours was pretty good. A lot of planning for this week and getting ready. Right now, we're going to start a phonics lesson, so I hope you're ready. Have fun! Welcome back to phonics. So, we're going to start with some letter review again today. So, x, d, a, t, p, n, b, y, a, k, v, I, s, z, o, ch, k, e, m, g, a, h, f, w. All right, very good. So next we're going to do some sight word review. I will post the word up here. You'll have a chance to say it, and then I will say it to make sure you're correct. All right. From, could, you, here, once, whose, was, to, Mr., live, they, very, said, should, have, what, do, the, to, your, of, come, many, where, who, give, are, Mrs., put, would, some. All right, very good. If you'd like to rewind and go over those again, you certainly are welcome to. Next, we're going to do some nonsense words. So we'll have 3 up at a time. Remember, I want you to keep your motor running. So if the word is lat, we want to read it as lat. We don't want to read it as lat. We want to read the whole word at once. All right, here we go. Sib, bach, tal, sen, gib, dod, top, lek, biz, zat, gem, gom, hoff, dax, cuz, yun, had, whiff, moth, gat, seth. Okay, if you would like to practice those without me giving you the answers, you can turn the sound off and watch the video. Okay, so next we're going to talk about another 2-letter combination that makes one sound. And that sound is ch, ch, ch. That's the sound that we hear at the beginning of chop, chick, cha-cha-cha, lots of different words. So what I would like you to do now is get your writing utensil. So that could be your pen, or if you're writing on a whiteboard, it could be your erasable dry erase marker. It could be a lot of different things. So get that and get something to write on, whether it's a notebook or a blank sheet of paper or your whiteboard. All right, I will say some words, and I want you to do your best to write down all the sounds you hear and spell the word. The first word is chin, chin, like your chin. All right, here it is, chin. So you see you have ch, I, n, chin. All right, 3 sounds, 4 letters, chin. The next word is chop. Chop. Okay, so we have ch-op, chop. All right, another word with 3 sounds but 4 letters. All right, our next word is much, much. So that ch is at the end, much. Ch, much. All right, very good. The next word is chip, chip. All right, chip, chip. The last word, rich, rich. Rich, rich. Okay, the last thing we're going to do is I am going to tell you a sentence and you're going to do your best to write it. All right? So the sentence is, the chick had much fun munching chips. The chick had much fun munching chips. So if you remember, ing is a sound that is made with I-N-G. So that'll help you with munching. So focus on munch and then move to ing. The chick had much fun munching chips. The chick had much fun munching chips. Okay, so the chick had much fun munching. So if we look at munch, we have ch. So 5 letters, 4 sounds. Ch. Ing, I-N-G. Chips, ch-ips. And as always, make sure you have your period at the end. All right. Thank you very much. Great work. All right. That was some good phonics practice, I thought. Yeah, I did too, Poster. All right, now we're going to go on to some math. So get your paper and pencil, or if you want to use a whiteboard and a marker, and we'll see you in a minute. For today's lesson, you're going to need a few things. I've got a notebook. I've got this number tree. And I've got 20 small rocks. I found these outside. You could use Cheerios or really whatever you want, so long as you have about 20 of them and you can fit a bunch of them in each one of these boxes. Okay, so these are the problems we're going to be tackling today. So if you want to pause the video and write these down in a notebook, that could be a good idea. Otherwise, you can write them as we go along. All right, the first problem we're going to do is 7 plus 8. So I'm going to put 7 in my bottom box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the other box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. When we put these together, so we'll move our extras off to the side. When we put these together, we will have this top number on top. So this plus this is always going to equal that. Put the smaller numbers on the bottom, and we'll put the bigger number on top. So, 1, 2, 3, 4,
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, so 7 plus 8 put together makes 15. So while we have this here, let's look at this problem. 15 take away 7. So he said 7 plus 8 equals 15. So I know some of you are sitting at home already knowing what the answer is. But let's take away 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we had 15, we took away 7, what are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 15, when we had all of them, we took 7 and we put them down here, and we are left with 8. So 15 take away 7 is 8. All right. Let's clear our board here. Let's go to our next problem, which is 4. So 1, 2, 3.
And 4 plus 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay. And then we're going to take all of these, move them up here. And then we have 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
So 4 plus 10 makes a total of 14. Okay, what about 14 take away 4? So we start with this number we have on top. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4 back. And we're going to be left with this number over here. If you can't remember that number, let's count it up.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So 4 plus 10 equals 14. When we put them all together, we took away 4, we are left with 10. Okay. Okay. Our next problem, 5 plus 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. All right. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 in this box, and we have 6 in this box. When we put all of these together, we get our total, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 5 plus 6 equals 11. If we take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. For the next one, we're going to do 3 plus 9. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 3 plus 9 equals how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 3 plus 9 is 12. If we have 12, we take away 3, we're left with 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
So 12 take away 3 leaves us with 9. Okay, next we've got 4 plus 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4 plus
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We're going to put these two together, move them all in here, and that will give us our answer. So 4 plus 7 leaves us with 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So 4 plus 7 equals 11. If we take away 4, we're left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So with these two groups going together, they make 11. If you take away the 4, you're left with the 7. If you take away the 7, you're left with the 4. All right, everyone. We'll see you next time. Bye.